Hi friends, today we will learn that what are the available CSS properties for designing the text in the HTML document. So there are different ways by which you can design your text in the HTML document. So we'll today learn those properties. I'll open the notepad file for you. Now here in the style tag, let me just take h1 as my element. The first property which can be used on the text in the HTML doc is color. Color, as I told you in the earlier example as well, that color is used to give color to the text. COLOR : the value of the color. Now whenever you are writing CSS, you have to be very careful that you write the right spellings, the correct spellings of the property. Otherwise, it is not going to work. So you have to be very careful about that. So after using this property, we can see that whatever color we assign, that will be applied to the h1 tag. Now the next property which I am going to explain is the alignment property. Now what does alignment property do? It aligns the text in three ways, either to the left or to the right or to the center. So all those who use Microsoft Word must be aware there are these three buttons available on the top, by which when you select the text and press those buttons, it either goes to the left or to the right or to the center. Similarly, here the property which is used to align text is known as text-align property. Text-align. Now it has three values: left, right and center. So obviously at a time you can use any one value. So based on your requirement, you can either use left, right or center. So we'll use them one by one. Left, as we all know, by default it is also left. So I think it won't make any difference, as you can see. If we take it as right and then save the document, okay, it has gone completely towards the right. And if we write center here and save the document, it has come in the center. So by using the text-align property, you can align your text towards left, right or center. Similarly, there is property which decorates the text in your HTML document, and that property is known as text-decoration. Text-decoration has three possible values: underline, which you all know, overline, which some of you must be knowing, and line hyphen through. So for all the three properties to understand, we will do them one by one. Underline, I am sure you all are aware of. We will save the document. Okay, so here it is being underlined. Now if I talk about overline, overline puts a line on the top of the text. And if I talk about line through, line hyphen through. So it strikes across the element. So can you see it? So as per the requirement, we can use any three possible values for the text-decoration property. Now another property which helps us in designing the text is text-indent property. This property helps us in moving the text towards the right in the first line of your p tag or h1 tag. So what it does, it moves the element as per the defined pixel towards right. If in the basic English, whenever we write a paragraph, we leave a little bit of space, before starting the sentence. So similarly here, text indentation property will help us give space defined in pixels before the text. So if I take suppose 50 pixels and then save the text, so can you see it has moved towards the right side. Now the next property is text hyphen transform. Text transform property helps the text written in the small letters to be converted to capital and the capital letters to small. So if I write text hyphen transform lowercase, it converts all the capital letters into small. And if I write uppercase, it converts all the small letters to the capital. And then the third value which is possible is capitalize. Capitalize converts every letter of the word into capital. So we'll just use them one by one. Let's begin with lowercase, and I'll change my heading in capital. And I'll save it. So can you see, I have written the text in capital, but it's still showing in lowercase because of this property. And now if I talk about uppercase, so it has been converted to uppercase. And the capitalize, let me just increase few more words. My heading is CSS design, and now when I'll use capitalize, it will change all the first letters of the words used in sentence to capital. MHICD. So it's very simple. So guys, now you can see that by using these 3 to 4 properties, you can easily design your text, you can easily align your text, you can decorate it, you can indent it. So everything is possible with the help of these few properties: color, text hyphen align, text hyphen decoration, text hyphen indent, and text hyphen transform. So I hope you have understood the lesson very well, and please keep practicing. I'll be back with another property in the next session. Thank you.